आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So guys, today we'll be solving a problem based on quadratic equation. Let's have a look. We have let fx is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is greater than 0, and f of 2 minus x is equals to f of 2 plus x for all x belongs to R. And fx has two distinct real roots. Then which of the following is true? So we'll just take a look on the given equation. It is given that f of 2 minus x is nothing but f of 2 plus x. Okay, so we can see that if we consider the graph, so at x equals to 2, if suppose we move x distance from here, we'll get 2 plus x, and at this point suppose the function value is somewhat like here, and the same distance x we just move backwards. So at this point the function value is same as the function value of 2 plus x, that is the same value like here. Okay, so what we can see that this graph, whatever be the graph, it will be symmetric about x equals to 2. The graph will be symmetric about x equals to 2, and we know that the quadratic equation the graph is parabola, and it is symmetric, and if it is symmetric about if it is symmetric about x equals to 2, the vertex will lie at x equals to 2. So we can write the x coordinate of vertex will be equals to 2. We can easily write. Now if a quadratic equation has real roots and it's it is the parabola is opening upwards, so at that time the y coordinate of the vertex will be negative, so the value of function at 2 will be negative. So y coordinate of vertex will be less than 0. So you can see that the graph will be something like that. And also it is given in the question that the function has distinct values, distinct roots, so it will cut somewhere over here, and hence the vertex will lie negative to the y-axis. So the graph will be something like this. At x equals to 2, it will be having some vertex. Okay, now one of the root will exceed 2, since the vertex is 2, so one of the root will exceed 2. So we have the option at least one root must be positive. So one root must be positive. This root can be negative or positive, but this root will always be positive. So answer A is correct. Okay, now before this point, before x equals to 2, we have decreasing function, and for decreasing function 2 is greater than 0 is greater than 1, and if for decreasing function if we apply the function of 2, function of 0 and function of 1, the sign will reverse like this. So we can see that the option B, it is also correct. And the third option, vertex of the graph y equals to fx is negative. Okay, so the vertex of the graph is negative, y value is less than 0, so this option is also correct. And the fourth final option, vertex of graph y equals to fx lies in third quadrant. You can see this is the first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. So you can easily see that the vertex will lie in the fourth quadrant and not in the third quadrant. So D will not be the answer. So the final answer will be A, B, and C.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।